Hello everyone and welcome back to Hannah's Happy Home. In today's video, first off, we're going to be doing some cleaning, get this house tidied up. As you can see, it was quite messy on this day. And then I'm going to be showing the footage from when I got this rug in the mail and setting it up, and I'll kind of talk to you guys a little bit more about it. And I'm also going to show the footage of me putting together the bar stools that I have here in the kitchen. And then we are going to be doing some extreme organization. Like, you guys are not going to believe how messy the hall closet is. The before and after is crazy. So I hope that you guys enjoy this video and that it can give you lots of motivation. Please subscribe if you are new here and click that notification bell. This is a fixer-upper that we bought a couple months ago. We've been renovating it, so if you want to follow along on that whole journey, then be sure you subscribe and you can go back and watch all of our previous videos about this house. You can also head over and follow me on Instagram. My Instagram name is Hannah's Happy Home. Before we get too much farther into this video, I wanted to let you guys know that I'm doing a little giveaway in this video. I'm giving away 3 Simply Earth subscription boxes. So these 3 boxes that you see here are the ones that I'm giving away. There will be 3 winners, and each of you will get one of these boxes shipped to your house. These boxes are always really fun to get in the mail once a month. So in your box, you will have a set of recipe cards, and then everything that you need to make those recipes will be in the box. There'll be 4 essential oils and then some extra items on the side that you'll need for the recipes. You also get stickers to put on the things that you make. They're just really fun boxes. Each one is a little bit different. I'm doing this giveaway just like how I do all my other giveaways. Super easy to enter. All you have to do is like this video, leave me a comment down below. Your comment will be your entry into the giveaway, and then be sure that you're subscribed to my YouTube channel, and I will be randomly picking a winner from the comments, 3 different winners, and all the details will be down in the comments and in the description box. I used to have like kids cups, sippy cups for the boys, but that was never enough water for them. It's summertime, it's hot, they drink a lot of water. So the other week when I was at Walmart, I grabbed these 2 water bottles. These are just some cheap blue water bottles from Walmart. They're nice and big, perfect for the boys. I fill these up every morning and put them in the bottom of the fridge door, and then the boys can just go to the fridge and get out water whenever they need it. It's worked perfect. And Owen was begging me to pull him around in his little red wagon, so I told him as soon as I emptied the dishwasher, I would pull him around. Okay, so at this point I had tidied off the countertops, put all of the dishes over by the sink, and then I unloaded the dishwasher, reloaded the dishwasher again with all of the dirty dishes, and then I washed the dishes by hand that I couldn't put in the dishwasher, dried all of those and put them away. And now the next step is to wipe off the countertops, and I'm using the same Method multi-surface cleaner that I used in my last cleaning video. I really love Method all-purpose multi-surface cleaners, and I always like to spray some type of all-purpose or multi-surface cleaner onto my countertops. Let that sit for like 30 seconds to a minute, and then I wipe off my countertops, and it just makes wiping them off a lot easier. If you've got anything dried on there, anything like that, it's just gonna wipe off so much easier if you spray a multi-surface cleaner on your countertop first. thing that I wanted to get done was to clean out my fridge, get it all wiped out. As you'll see, once I get it all cleaned out, I really needed to go get groceries. So before I got groceries, I wanted to have the fridge all cleaned out, get rid of any food that was bad. And of course, once your kitchen is spotless clean, of course you have to light a good smelling candle. And my favorite candles are from the Antique Candle Company, and this is one of my favorite scents from them. It's the Mango Citrus. I will have the link down below for the Antique Candle Company website. You guys definitely need to go and check them out. They've got some of the best smelling candles that I've ever burned in my house. So definitely go click that link and check it out. We've got the kitchen all cleaned, and there I showed you how how empty the fridge was, not how messy. So I need to go and get some groceries, and now I'm going to tidy up the living room area out here. I got some laundry started, and now I'm going to clean this little guest bathroom that we have here beside the laundry room, and I'm using some of these Scotch-Brite toilet scrubbers. I can't remember the exact name of them, but if I can find a link for them, I'll link them down below. They're just so awesome to quickly scrub out the toilet, and then you just push the little button at the top and it releases it into the trash can, and then you've got new ones that you can store in that little stand that you put it on. It's just very handy to have in your bathroom. Okay, so now I'm going to show the footage from when I put together the bar stools that you guys have been seeing in my kitchen. I've shown you the bar stools in my last house tour video, but I haven't shown you the process of me putting them together, so here is the footage from that. They were fairly easy to put together. I did run into some trouble when I was putting the one together. I couldn't quite make everything fit, but I finally got it. I am just beyond happy with how these bar stools turned out. They were the perfect bar stools for here. I actually have bought, I think it was 2 other bar stools that I bought and I brought home to the kitchen, and I just did not like how they looked, so I had to return both of those. And then I finally found these online. I'll put a link for them down below, and they match the wood floor perfectly. The top is a really thick wood top, and then the bottom part is black metal, and they're just perfect for the kitchen. And then here's the footage of me putting the rug together. I got the rug and the bar stools on the same day, so I was able to put both of those out. So in the living room, I just scooted back the couches, got that all vacuumed, and then I put down a pad underneath of the rug. I got this one off of Amazon. It is a 9x14 because the rug was 9x14, and this rug pad stuck out a little bit further than the rug did, so I just had to grab a scissors and trim it down to size. They're super easy to just trim up to size if they're a little bit too big for your rug. And then I spread the rug out there. This rug is from Rugs USA, and we really love it, and I really loved the price. It was so affordable for a 9x14 rug. So I'll be sure and put the link down below. And I love that Rugs USA sends their rugs folded instead of rolled up, so you don't get like the rolled up edges, which I think is really awesome. Okay, so now here is the footage of what the closet in our hallway looked like. This closet had gotten out of control because I was just stuffing stuff in there. You guys know our life has been crazy lately with moving and the renovation and everything. So this closet never really got a good organization done to it. So I pulled everything out that was on the floor and went through all of that that, and then I started going through everything that was on the shelves. Stay tuned because it's a big transformation of how this closet turned out. First box that I'm going through here hasn't been unpacked since we moved into the house. This one has all of my party decorating stuff in it and gift wrapping, so I just wanted to transfer everything that I wanted to keep into this plastic tub over here, put the lid on that, and then I can store it under the shelf in this closet. This bottom shelf is where I am storing all of the boys' craft stuff, school stuff, coloring books, like all of that kind of thing is going to be on this side of the shelf. So I was trying to get all of that organized into these containers. And all of the organizational containers that you see me using are from the Dollar Tree. If you need some affordable, awesome organization containers, then go to the Dollar Tree. They're only $1, and the smaller ones are usually in like a pack of 2 or 3 for $1. Okay, and now here is the after, and this organized closet makes me so happy. Like for the next 2 days after I organize this, I would just walk in this closet and just stand in here and look at it and just enjoy the calmness and the organization. If you've got a closet that looked as crazy as this closet did before, then I hope that this inspired you to just get in there and tackle it, get it organized. This huge closet is such a blessing to have here in the hallway. I can keep all of the things in here, paper towels, toilet paper. I keep all of our blankets stacked up on that top shelf. I keep my vacuums in here, the school stuff, and this shelf over to the right is probably my favorite shelf. I've got my huge collection of antique candle company candles over here, and then I've got my Simply Earth essential oils. Down here is all of the organizational containers that I didn't use yet in this house, so I'm just storing them right there because I'm sure that I will use them in the coming months. And then in that bag on the floor is all of my reusable grocery bags. If If you watched my most recent house tour video, then you heard me talk about this closet here in the laundry room that we call the renovation closet. This closet is so crazy unorganized. We can never find anything in here. So I wanted to quickly go through it and just put some order to this closet. It doesn't have to be super organized or anything because keeping all of this stuff for the renovation in here is just temporary until we're done with a lot of these bigger projects. But until we're done with all of those, we have to keep a lot of this stuff in here, just make it easily accessible. So I just went through things, got them better organized, but I got things organized and grouped together enough that we can actually find stuff in that closet now. And now I'm going to head back to our master bedroom, take those sheets off the bed so that I can put them in the washer, and then get the floor vacuumed back here. This cordless vacuum that I am using today in my house is from Lec Homes, and they are sponsoring today's video, which I am very grateful for. I was excited to try out another vacuum here today, and this one is a very lightweight, awesome little affordable vacuum to have for around the house. This vacuum has a 5-stage filtration system. It's a very quiet vacuum. It's got long endurance and dual charging, and it's very user friendly. Like I said, it's really lightweight. This vacuum worked great on all of the surfaces that we have in our home: carpet, laminate, tile. It also does come with a little attachment for cleaning off your couches, cleaning out vehicles, and they did give me a coupon code for you guys. You guys can get 40% off with the code that will come up here on the screen, and I'll also have it typed up down in the description box, so you guys will get 40% off. The normal price is $159.99, but your price after the discount code will be only $95.99. So a really great deal if you want to go try out this vacuum. All the info will be down below, and thank you again to them for sponsoring this video. And here's a peek at what the house looks like now, all nice and clean. Looks a lot different than it did at the beginning of this video. So I hope that you guys enjoyed this video and that it gave you lots of motivation. Thank you so much for watching, and don't forget to enter the giveaway, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.